Glass houses are one of the most wonderful architectures that boast unique aesthetics and functionality. The glass house architecture dates back to 1940s and 50s, when Philip Johnson and Mies van der Rohe created some cool glass structures that had transparent appeal. Although facade and walls use glass as the main building material, internal partitions and floors, bolstered by strong frames, provide the required structural stability. The transparent walls bring loads of natural light and beautiful views in, providing a deep connection with nature. Privacy may be one of the concerns with such architectures, but the one-way vision glasses and curtains take good care of it. Glass houses are a good example of modern architecture that can be a small backyard cabin to a fully finished vacation home. The real beauty lies in the connection between interior, exterior, and the surrounding landscape. If you ever wish to live in harmony with nature, the modernist see-through homes are the best ways to enjoy comforts of indoors while being surrounded by the natural beauty of outdoors. Here is a list of modern glass houses from around the world that offer mesmerizing views of surrounding landscape from the comfort of bed. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video. But before that, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Philip Johnson's Glass House. Designed by Philip Johnson in 1949, it is one of the most prominent pieces of modern architecture located in New Canaan, Connecticut. This one-story glass house features open floor plans and floor-to-ceiling glass walls between black steel piers and stock H-beams. There is a kitchen, dining room, living room, bedroom, hearth area, bathroom, and an open entrance area. It was declared a National Historic Landmark in 1997. The Lake Pavilion. This 1,240 square foot waterfront lodge featuring floor-to-ceiling glass walls was built across a lake near Montreal in 2015. The kitchen and living area are positioned on one side, and two bedrooms are housed on the other. The complete white interiors nicely match the polished concrete floor, while triple glazed windows help in climate control. There are large roof overhangs to provide shade and reduce the amount of rain hitting the exterior walls. The glass pavilion is topped with a green roof with edges covered in reflective aluminum panels. The roof is supported by thin, white-painted steel columns. The Division KnollResidence. The curving copper roof over a transparent glass structure is what makes this house different from most glass houses. The glass facades reflect silhouettes of surrounding mountains and maximize the viewing angle. The creative use of wood in exterior and interior space makes it even more appealing. Flexhouse by Evolution Design. This 4-story, 173 square meter waterfront home features a distinctive white glass facade that is enough to draw anyone's attention. There's an open kitchen, dining, living space on the ground floor, 2 bedrooms and bathrooms on the first floor, a studio with 2 large terraces on the second floor, and a garage and utility space in the basement. There are glass walls on 3 sides to blend into the surrounding foliage. The focus of the design is to maximize outside views from all living spaces of the house. Finley Beach House. Built for a couple at the edge of Oregon's coastal forest, this simple 2-story glass house serves as a weekend getaway to connect with the nature. The 3,330 square foot vacation home is capped with a green roof to blend with the surrounding landscape. It took almost 6 years from the purchase to completion of the home. The choice for the palette of materials is limited to glass, metal, wood, and other natural materials. The glass curtain wall system is an important and painstaking task in the design. The Glass House, Toronto. Located in a wooded location in Oakville, Canada, it is a 3-story modern glass house that combines luxury with natural in a marvelous way. It offers a total of 8,271 square feet living space, with floor-to-ceiling glass walls, offering beautiful views of the surrounding area. Tower House. The Tower House is built by New York-based architectural firm Gluck Plus in a woody location as a vacation retreat to enjoy magnificent views of the Catskill mountain range. There are 3 floors joined through a central staircase. It employs an innovative ventilation technique to take on the temperature of living spaces. The unique cantilever design lowers impact on the ground and makes the glassy structure different from others. Y1 by Werner Sobek. This single-family home in massive central region in France consists of 2 units, a ground floor and a glazed upper story that levels against the ground and provides uninterrupted views of the landscape. The living quarters, dining area, and sleeping areas are housed on the transparent top floor of the house. Glass House by Toshiko Mori. This cantilevered glass house is designed by Japanese architect and Harvard professor Toshiko Mori. There are 4 wings, each offering magnificent views in all directions. The floor-to-ceiling glass walls and bright white interior seamlessly blend with the surrounding environment. From the living room and bedroom to kitchen and dining area, all living spaces are bathed in natural sunlight. There's even a green roof to merge with natural settings of the location. Photographer studio over a boathouse. Designed by Toronto-based design studio GH3, this lakefront house blends into the surrounding landscape with simple and sophisticated see-through glass facade. The complete white interiors complement the dark floor, adding a contemporary and stylish essence to the house. Also, the use of glass, metal, and granite significantly improve its thermal efficiency. Donald and Helen Olsen House. It is a great example of the international-style architecture in the 1950s. The transparent glass facade of the house, built by Berkeley architect Donald Olsen, helps it merge with the outdoors. The raised upper floor helps its residents to stay connected to the nature. La Casa del Desierto. This fully glazed house is a collaborative project by Slovenia-based OFIS architects, Guardian Glass engineers, and energy consultants from AKT2 and TransSolar. The triple glazed windows not only improve thermal and acoustic insulation, but also make it a complete off-grid housing unit for 2 people. Located at the Casa del Desierto, the desert house, it is designed to maintain a comfortable atmosphere, even in extreme temperatures of deserts. Gefter-Press House. Built as a tribute to Philip Johnson's glass house, the Gefter-Press House, the binocular house, was designed by veteran architect and professor Michael Bell. The design idea was same, but with more focus on privacy concerns. This U-shaped house dissolves into the surrounding forest, with transparent glass facades to serve as a secluded shelter. It has won multiple awards and has found a place in Kenneth Frampton's iconic book, American Masterworks, Houses of the 20th and 21st Centuries. Villa Kogelhof. This eco-friendly villa consists of an underground volume and a glass house floating above the ground. The villa generates its own energy and has a built-in cooling system. There's also a water roof to illuminate the living areas underneath. As a worthy feather in its cap, Villa Kogelhof has won the Dutch Arc 13 Architecture Prize. Glass House by Jeff Smilow. Located on a 1.9-acre property surrounded by woods, this see-through glass architecture was built by Juan A. Figueroa. Whether it's the living room and kitchen on the first floor, or bedroom suites on the second floor, the floor-to-ceiling glass windows bring natural light and outdoors in. There are smart features too, like front gates, lighting, heating, and air conditioning system that can be controlled remotely with an iPhone. S-House. Tokyo-based Yusuke Karasawa Architects has designed this glazed, 2-story house that reflects its surroundings. The house has zigzagging central staircases to connect the split levels. The complete white interior with large glass windows creates an ultimate luxurious environment inside. The K-House. This 2-story waterfront residence features large glass walls and an indoor lap pool. The smooth glass facade blurs the boundaries between interior space and outdoors without sacrificing great aesthetics. The light-filled living spaces frame great views around the Derwent River. It is a great example of adding glass extension to an existing housing structure. Glass in Wood House by Kengo Kuma. This floating glass structure supported by thin steel columns was created by Japanese architect Kengo Kuma as an addition to the existing mid-century modern home. The L-shaped floor plan and flat roof aim to blend the architecture with the environment and create a strong, contemporary look. Polyhedra House. Leading architecture and interior design firm Axis Mundi proposed this riverside cliff house to be built across the Hudson River in New Jersey. The main building materials are concrete, anodized aluminum panels, and seamed glass. It has living spaces including kitchen, dining, and living room on the entrance level, and bedrooms accessed by a floating stairway on the upper floors. Tree in the House by Aibek Almassov. This conceptual tubular glass house was designed to be built around a living tree. There are a total of 4 floors, with the top level featuring a transparent ceiling. The glass walls make it a great viewing platform for the surrounding forest. A spiral staircase connects all the floors. It stands on tiny stilts to lower the impact on the landscape. Also, there are solar panels and rainwater harvesting features to improve sustainability. Glass House by Santambrogio, Milano. This glass house is built from several sheets of glass assembled using the plexiglass joint. From walls and ceiling to staircase and furniture items, all living spaces are outfitted with glass items. The entire glass structure reflects surrounding terrain while also offering panoramic surrounding views. So there you have it, 20 of the most gorgeous glass houses around the world. Which one of these was your favorite? Let us know in the comments down below. If you liked the video, give this video a thumbs up, and for more videos, subscribe to the channel.